In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create superscripts in your documents easily and efficiently. Understanding how to format your text correctly is key when preparing professional documents, such as academic papers, detailed reports, or even just making stylish presentations. Let's dive right into the process. Begin by selecting the text or number you wish to convert into a superscript. This might be as simple as highlighting a single character, or it could be several digits that you want to elevate, like mathematical exponents, trademark symbols, or footnotes. The process starts the same way you'd highlight anything else in your document. Click and drag over the text with your mouse, or use the keyboard shortcut, Shift plus arrow keys. Now that you've selected the appropriate text or numbers, it's time to execute the command that transforms these characters into superscripts. If you're working on a Windows computer, here's what you'll want to do. Hold down the Ctrl key and press the period key simultaneously. For Mac users, perform a similar action by holding down the Command key and pressing the period key. It's a simple but incredibly powerful shortcut, allowing for seamless transitions between normal text and superscript, no matter how frequent these changes occur in your work. Upon completing this key combination, you'll see the transformation take effect immediately. The selected text should now appear slightly above the regular text line, indicating it's now in superscript format. This elevated positioning helps signify mathematical powers, ordinal indicators, and other notations that require specific formatting. It's both visually distinctive and structurally accurate for the types of documents that demand precision. This method of creating superscript is both quick and effective, significantly speeding up your typing and helping maintain the flow of your work without breaking concentration. It eliminates the need for more cumbersome methods, like manually adjusting the text position or navigating through multiple menu options. By incorporating this shortcut into your repertoire, you lay the groundwork for faster, more efficient document editing in the future. In summarizing today's lesson, the core technique revolves around selecting the relevant text or numbers, implementing the keyboard shortcut that pertains to your operating system, and appreciating the immediate result as your characters ascend to their superscript status. It's an excellent way to enhance your document's readability and professionalism and is especially useful in academic settings or any place where mathematical and scientific detailing is necessary. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide on creating superscripts helpful. If you enjoyed this video or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, or better yet, like and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy typing!